Omusinga mumbere nayongera agira ngu kwiha abantu ombworo n'enkwatanisa ya buri muntu weena kutari kwesiginganya gavumenti.
Omusinga bwa Rwenzururu kubukanza butya elangire nde inywe Basuburi na Busenga tubya partners tukolera hayi so tukiraye eribya intermediate kuzirisayisibwa bakazingiriza banganengera omuna bakasayisya obutukubuna abananga government of Republic of Uganda muyahamura obusa bakaba namuyatinisiriziya yokubusenga
Hajati Hamukati Nakachwa or director wa Nyakasanga Infant wena agira ngu okukwatanisa n'obusinga bwa Rwenzururu nikiza kubahwera okutungura eby'obwegyeso muri Kasese.
Turakuranya ekitundu kyaffe kya Kasese kubanga omusinga atugambye nti ffenna oli mukonjo toli mukonjo tuli ba Kasese kubanga mutubeera era naffe twewaayo okuba nti tujja kukolagana n'omusinga tusobole okuleeta development mu kitundu nga ffe bannannyini masomero.
Obusinga buno bukwatagana na embassies na ministry internal affairs bakarora nti omuntu kubafuna obuzibu kuli bana abahanu mega contacts ne bamwanguhira bagenda kuraki kumuyamba kuba abana Uganda bingi taligama abanyarwenzururu bonka.
Many crops are lacking market. So if the Musinga can truly look at how best we can have market for these crops, I'm very sure the economy of the environment, more especially in Kasese, is going to be enhanced.
Omusinga hendira rukusima abashubuzi bona bagerizeho okukora bakarebeka ngo etawuni ya Kasese yatunguka.
Hawa emibiri minene eyimo mabekola eri kulakulania Kasese town masinja kutsira
Omugandi eminyeto murusheme yahanangirizibwa kuremera hanshonga omukukora ebyentunguka kitari ekyo kutega engaro ngo batunje byabusha. Ebigambirwa obu ab'ekitongole kya Junior Achievement Uganda obu babire nibabuganaho eminyeto murushema.
If you say I'm conceiving this, I believe in this, there is no reason why you cannot achieve.
Boys and girls, you must die greatly. Good path, not them. Keep going. The world is moving so fast, changing. If you stagnate, you stay in the same place, you are finished.
I remember farming, not any other thing, not my education, but I was able to move from here, well facilitated from Shema to via Italy, then to Netherlands.
Wow. Bitwe uri mukuru w'ishomero rya St Benedict Kachindo ahi amashomero agagerundanire hine byagambira omuntu nguka eby'obwegese.
So now our target is we need teachers who are well informed, who are really in the world of work. So my teachers, if you know still things are not still the best.
Amashomero agarukika mukaga no getabira omushomogo agarumu St Benedict Masyoro hamwe na Nagandi. Amakuru agagasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi na Sheikh Abdulatif.